Let's talk about when kids can't handle discomfort and what you can do about it. One of the things you can do right away, allow them to be uncomfortable. They're not really allowed to be uncomfortable for very long before somebody swoops in and runs interference. Are you okay? Are you okay? Do you need something? But you want to try this instead? Or there's a negotiation, or there's other choices, or we're going to do this differently because they didn't like the way it was done the first time. Sometimes they just need to be uncomfortable, and we can't run interference too soon. If kids are having a little squabble over the blocks, and as long as nobody's getting hit over the head with them, I might go near them and kind of watch them and listen to them. And I might lean in and say, guys, figure this out. Solve this problem. And they're going to be uncomfortable with it. But you know what I've seen? When we give kids space to do it, they can do it. But if we don't allow them to be uncomfortable, they're never going to figure out how to deal with that feeling. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.